My name is Realtor Femi ADoDo, and today I bring to your notice another wonderful, massive project going up right here at Ojodu, Berger, Lagos. The name of this estate is Waterfall Terraces, and the estate is located at Regina Olaore Drive off Olaore Street, Ojodu, Lagos. It has easy access to major commercial hubs of Lagos, such as Ikeja, and of course, few minutes drive from Lagos Ibadan Expressway. It's about 10 minutes drive to Alausa Shoprite, Alausa Secretariat, and the estate is about 20 minutes drive to Ikeja. It consists of 4-bedroom all en suite plus 1 maid room, 1 living room, 1 family lounge, box rooms, kitchen and store,